Hi children, now take out your grammar textbooks. We are going to see the lesson number 3, that is naming words. Okay, and that is page number 10. Now we'll start. Let's link it. Look at this picture. Yes children, see in this picture you are able to see so many pictures, so many images, so many things, like animals are there, trees are there, clouds are there. You're able to see two children playing in the place. Yes, why is this picture seen to you? Now we will know why. Now read the words in the boxes below. Color the boxes that have the name of things you see in the picture. Yes, you have observed the picture. Now we will see in these boxes what all you have seen in that picture. Means you have matched with this word in that picture. Okay, sing. Do you see anyone singing in that picture? No. Do you see a boy? Yes. Do you see a dog? Yes. Do you see flowers? Yes. Do you see run? Yes. You see dog running in that picture, right? And do you see a girl? Yes. The girl is playing with ducklings in the pond, right? Yes. Now do you see a park? Yes. The green stuff in the picture is park. Do you see draw? No, no one is drawing. Do you see a pond? Yes, a pond. Do you see swim? Yes, duck is swimming with the ducklings, right? And do you see duck? And you see trees? Yes, these are the pictures you are able to see. Connect with the picture what we have seen before. Okay children, now we will see. Look at the words that you have colored. They are the names of people, places, animals and things. Am I right? Yes. Now what all you have matched with the pictures? See, matched with the picture with the words in this help box, the box given are, see, people, the boy and girl, places, park, pond, animals, you have seen dog and duck, things, flowers and trees, right? See children, the names of people, places, animals and things are called naming words. See, every place, every people, every animal and a thing has a name. That is called, those are called naming words. Okay children? Now, see, let's crack it. Some things are given below. Circle those that you carry in your school bag. See, the pictures are given and this is your school bag. You are missing your school bag, right children? Yes, I too miss you children. See here. See, there are some pictures are given in this page. You need to circle the things which you take in your school bag. Okay children? See, do you take clock in the school bag? No. Do you take pencil? Yes. Do you take tiffin box? Yes. Do you take telephone? No. Crayon? Yes. Do you take a pup? No. See, now you came to know, right? See, the tiffin box, pencil and crayons are the three things you will be carrying in your bag. Now, see, this is Minnie and Sam's family. Draw lines to show the people in the picture. Okay children, now get ready with your pencil. We will draw the lines connecting to the picture. Okay? Mimi. Where is Mimi? Mimi is, see, from Mimi you cross a line towards this blue color girl, blue color t-shirt girl, Mimi. And mother is here. And father, yes, Sam, grandmother, grandfather. You will draw lines children. Okay? Now, take help of your parents so that you can connect them easily. Now look at these words. Mimi, Sam. These are special names of people. Special names of people, places, animals and things always begin with capital letters. For example, Abha, Chennai, Jerry. See children, you have a name, I have a name. See, you have a particular name. Everyone doesn't have same name as you have, right? Like that only. That's why those names are called special names. And all the places, animals and things have their special names. They have their particular name, and they always begin with capital letters. As you know, Hubballi, where we stay, Chennai is a place, Abha is name of a girl, Jerry is name of a pet dog or pet cat. Okay children, now other naming words do not begin with capital letters. Other naming words do not begin with capital letters. Okay, now in the space given below, draw or paste a picture of your family. What do you call them? Do you know their special names? See, here the space is given. You can paste or draw pictures of your family members and write their special names. Like your father have a special name, you have a special name, your mother, grandmother, grandfather, and your siblings, means brothers and sisters who are with you, have different special names. Try to write in this box and fill it up. Okay? Now, read the sentences. Write the names of the animals. I guard the house of my master. See, I guard the house of my master. See, which animal will guard our house? That is dog. Yes. I make honey. Who is that who gives us honey? That is honeybee. Yes, very smart children. Now, my baby is called a kitten. My baby is called a kitten. Whose baby is called kitten? Yes, it's cat baby. Okay children. Now, I have black and white stripes on my body. Who is that animal which have black and white stripes on the body? Yes, that starts with Z. That is zebra. Yes, I am called the king of the jungle. Who is the king of the jungle, children? The king of the jungle is lion. Okay. Now, I have a long neck. Who is that? Who have a long neck? That is giraffe. Yes. Now, I have a pocket. Who is that? Who have a pocket? Yes, you are right children. That is kangaroo. Kangaroo have a pocket that carries her baby in that pocket. Right? Now, I give you milk. Yes, there are two animals which gives us milk. That is cow and buffalo. Okay? Yes. Answers you can see when the video ends children. I will give you in the slide so that you can connect with the answers. Now, look at this picture. Name the things and places that you see. Now, this is observing time. You need to observe this picture and then you need to name the things and places that you see in this picture. Okay? Now, and let's perfect it. Underline the naming words for persons in red, places in blue, animals in green, and things in purple. Now, I will read out all the names and you will guess and color that word. Okay, children? And at last, I will give you the answers. You can just check it with the answers. Okay? Pune, bank, cat, Reena, jug, dog, teacher, aunt, apple, father, school, lion, box, garden. These are the words. You need to underline the naming words of persons in red, places in blue, animals in green, and things in purple. Now, see, before you underlining, you need to take out red, blue, green, and purple color pencils or crayons. Okay, you will not use sketch pens in the textbook. Okay, now Write the special names of 3 people that you see in the classroom. Yes. But you can write the special names of the 3 people you see in the classroom. You are not in the classroom, but you can imagine that your friends are with you and write the 3 special names. Might be your teacher, might be your friends. Okay, children? That is your homework. You will be doing on your own. Take the help of your family, your mom or dad. Write the names of 3 things that you see in the market. You'll write any 3 things that you see in a market. Okay? And then write the names of 3 animals. See? 3 animals. You can easily guess and write the 3 animal names. Okay, children? Done with this slide? To the next slide. Now, wow, composition. Yes, look at the jumbled pictures below. They tell a story. Number the pictures 1, 2, 3 and 4 to put them in the correct order. Okay, children? Yes. See these pictures. Observe the pictures. The pictures are jumbled. You need to write the correct number to the picture. Okay? See? This is the number 1 picture. You write. See, I am just rounding up. You need to write number 1 in that box. And then number 2 is this. And number 3 is this. And number 4 is this. Now you have given numbers to the pictures. Now we will see in a sentence composition. Now complete the story with the words from the help box. See, yellow color box is given. These are the help box. This is the help box in which you can able to see the words that will match with the fill in the blanks. Okay. Once there was a dog. His name was Jammy. He lived on a farm. One day he saw a bone lying in the grass. He took the bone and went for a walk on a bridge on a pond. He saw his own image in the water. He thought it was another dog with a bone in the pond. Okay. Now, he wanted that bone too. He opened his mouth to take the other bone from the water. As soon as he opened his mouth, his bone fell into the pond. The dog was greedy and lost the bone he had. You understood the story, children? See, once there was a dog. His name was Jammy. He lived on a farm. One day, he saw a bone lying in the grass. He took the bone and went for a walk on a bridge on a pond. Okay, he saw his own image in the water. He thought it was another dog with a bone in the pond. He wanted that bone too. He opened his mouth to take the other bone from the water. As soon as he opened his mouth, his bone fell into the pond. The dog was greedy and lost the bone he had. That's why you should be happy with whatever you have, children. Okay? Now, let's build words. Now, this is interesting. You need to observe these pictures and then that connecting pictures will be asked down in a fill in the blanks. You need to fill those blanks. Okay, children? Ricky likes to do lots of things. So, he has made a picture timetable to show what he does on different days of the week. Look at the Ricky's timetable. Write the days of the week to complete the sentences given below. See, Monday, Ricky is drawing, right? He needs a paper and crayons to draw. Tuesday, he visits the library. And Wednesday, he goes to his grandmother. Thursday he plays in a park. Friday once again he visits library. Saturday he spends his time with grandmother, and Sunday he goes on a ride on his cycle. Okay children, now you understood the pictures. We will see the sentences given below to complete. Okay, now Ricky rides his cycle on which day Ricky rides his cycle, children? Connect the picture. Yes, he rides his cycle on Sunday. Ricky visits grandmother on Wednesday and Saturday. Ricky goes to the library on Tuesday and Friday. Ricky needs crayons and drawing paper on Monday. It is Thursday, so Ricky is going to the park. Okay children, now you understood. With the help of your parents you can write. If not, you are very smart children, you can write. You know the weekdays, right? Right. You connect with the pictures and write in the blanks, and then you can check the answers in the further slides. Okay children, now make words from the jumbled letters. The pictures will help you. See, there are pictures given and jumbled letters are given. We need to write the correct spelling of that picture. Okay children, first one, what is this? Flower. Flower. Okay, now what is this? Table. 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 What is this? Balloon. 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 And this is monkey. And fifth one is umbrella. Umbrella. And sixth one is bananas. 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 Okay children, now we have finished this chapter, and the further slides I am giving you to check with your answers. Okay children, see, you just check out and write neatly in your Grammarite textbook. See, in this Let's Perfect It, you need to underline, or you can just circle as I did with the particular color. Okay, and B, C, D are your homework. And see, the complete story is done. You can just check it out and see. Okay children, I'm ending this video. Have a nice day. Bye.